Hey everyone, what is going on? Today I'm going to be doing intake manifold controller motor on the caliber. Basically I'm getting a code, check the plug, check the wiring. Found these ones on eBay for 30 bucks. Figured since it's a cheap part, well, you can get more expensive ones if you go OEM and stuff, but I figured since it doesn't cause the vehicle to not run, it just hurts the fuel economy. I'll go with a cheaper one and see how that works. Since it was 30 bucks, like Mopar ones off Rock Auto are like 90. So pop the hood, should be fairly easy to get to. So let's go check it out. So the location of it is right under here, under the intake tube. So I'll pop this intake piece out of the way, and then should be just this hose clamp to get down there to it. Don't know if I'll have to get the hose clamp off of the throttle body. Might be able just to flex this tube out of the way to get to it. But there's the plug for it right there. And we should have 3 screws to get it out. So get it out, see what it looks. Got the intake out of the way a little bit. We can see 2 of the bolts really clearly. The other one I believe is hidden underneath the plug kinda. So I think that's a 10. The back one looks like an 8. So let me get these off. Let me get to the plug first. So got the plug off. It's got a little red safety connector on it. And as you can see, my connectors are really nice. Nothing's like melted or anything. So that's, check the connector before I order the new motor. So let's see if I can get down in there with a light and see if I can see the bottom screw. Yeah, there's that bottom screw. Like I said, right below that plug. Luckily this radiator hose can move quite a bit to snake it in underneath there. But I'm gonna start with the top ones. To get to the bottom 10 mil, you're gonna need, a little bit of an extension, and you have just enough space between the battery and hose here to get to it. You're just gonna have to watch that you don't drop the bolt down there and on top of the transmission. But the top 2 are easy to get. I'm just waiting to get the bottom one before I get that 8 mil last. So I recommend having a magnet handy to grab this bolt to get it out. You could also take the battery out to get a little bit more room in there in the air box, but I don't think it needs to come out to do it. So let me get this out. All 3 screws are out. So now we should just have to fish this out. And as you can see, this guy looks already pretty rusty. Yeah, so I don't think that was moving at all. And they're in the same position. So that's good. I don't gotta worry about position of the unit itself. I may take a screwdriver to make sure that it is actually opening. So let me do that real quick. Yeah, I can actually, look, I can move this by hand. You can hear it hitting the sides of the runners. I can get in here. So, the baffle is moving. I'll try to clean some of that dirt out there and we'll get the new one in. All the bolts are in. Now we just gotta fish my hand out in here, get the plug on. Red goes to the out side of the car. I can get it. There we go. Once you get it on, make sure you push your lock back up, and then reinstall the intake. Your air temp sense wire is on the right side of the intake. That back on. This plug back in. And tighten up your hose clamp here. go. That's all tight. Grab our intake screw. Lost the clip. There we have it, all back together. And this is all you need. Screwdriver, magnet, 10 mil extension, 8 mil. That's it. And I want to show you why this one's bad. Oh, there we go. So I turn it like this. See, sometimes it sticks. Like that. Look, that time it's stuck. Now it's free. So it should snap back all the time. So sometimes driving it would. There we go. So now you see why that one failed. So that's it. Hopefully you guys like this little video. Just gonna have to drive around, make sure the code clears away. So I have a power steering pump to do on that thing now. So until next time.